Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to Islamic Insights, the channel where we explore the depth and wisdom of Islam. I'm your host from Islamic Insights, and today, we embark on a journey to delve into the heart of Tawhid, the profound concept of the oneness of Allah. Tawhid is the foundation of our faith, the cornerstone that shapes our understanding of Allah's nature and our relationship with Him. So, let's explore this vital concept together. Tawhid, my friends, is the belief in the absolute oneness of Allah. It's the core belief that distinguishes Islam from all other faiths. We affirm that Allah is the only God, unique in His attributes, and unparalleled in His majesty. The Quran, the divine revelation to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasizes Tawhid repeatedly. It guides us to recognize and appreciate the magnificence of Allah's oneness. Tawhid can be broken down into three essential pillars: Tawhid al-Rububiyyah, Tawhid al-Uluhiyyah, and Tawhid al-Asma, wa al-Sifat. Tawhid al-Rububiyyah underscores Allah's unique role as the creator, sustainer, and controller of the universe. Every aspect of existence is under His divine command. Tawhid al-Uluhiyyah directs us to worship Allah alone, recognizing that He is the only true object of worship. Our actions, thoughts, and intentions should be aligned solely with His pleasure. Tawhid al-Asma, wa al-Sifat emphasizes the belief in Allah's names and attributes. We accept them as they are revealed in the Quran and Hadith, without distorting their meanings or likening them to created beings. Tawhid isn't merely a theological concept, it's a practical way of life. It shapes our decisions, our interactions, and our worldview. Through our prayers, fasting, and acts of kindness, we manifest our commitment to Tawhid. Each time we say, La ilaha illallah, there is no God but Allah, we reaffirm our devotion to the oneness of Allah. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of Tawhid. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button to stay connected with Islamic Insights for more enriching content. As we continue our journey, remember that Tawhid is a constant reminder of Allah's majesty and our duty to worship Him alone. Until next time, may your faith continue to illuminate your path. Assalamu alaikum.